Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today we got a pretty awesome car. We got a Hot Wheels Elite 64 car, and it is the brand new Ford Mustang, which looks absolutely insane. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this up, and we're actually going to unbox it, take it out, take off the front end kind of hood, and show you guys the whole thing up close and personal. And this thing's going to be absolutely insane. So let's go ahead and get started. You do notice that there is a plastic protector on this. So we're going to go ahead and pop it out of the plastic protector. Set that aside. And wow, this thing looks absolutely incredible. And I really love that shade of blue. And the Liberty Walk Aventador recently came out, and that was in a very similar shade of blue. And that's what the back of the card looks like. Also, the Ford kind of logo there has like a cool 3D effect to it, but wow, this car is absolutely insane. There's the specs if you guys want to pause that and read it. But then also there's like the car. Okay, you can see it through the card, which is absolutely amazing. And there's like that front side of the package. Like that picture also looks really nice. And then I don't know if you kind of see it on camera, but the Mustang itself has like a really high gloss in the Elite 64 logo. And then everything else is a slightly different gloss finish. I don't know if that's really showing up very well. But even the package has a really nice quality to it. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully open this one. I'm just going to cut around the edges and then be able to pop it out, because I do kind of want to preserve the packaging on this one. So let me go ahead and get started with popping it out of the package. Alright, so I went ahead and cut around the sides and bottom so I could just kind of swing this open. And let's go ahead and pop out the car. There we go. And there actually is another plastic piece here on the inside. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it where the car sits in. So it's actually kind of cool that it sits in that, and it's also like shaped around the car so it doesn't have any of that moving around or anything inside there. So we got the car out, which looks absolutely insane. And this is like the first time for me to kind of like really see it up close. When it did come in, I didn't even really look at it. So this is kind of like my first look, and wow, the tires look amazing. The rims look absolutely insane. Like, those look so cool. I love that side exit exhaust right there. But wow, this car looks incredible. Also, like that giant wing there in the back, and that diffuser that goes across the bottom, sticking out the back right there. How aggressive that is. Man, that is such a nice car. I absolutely love that. And those wide body fenders there look insane as well. But let me know what you guys think of that color. But like I said, those rims look really cool. And then there's the whole front end, which looks insane. Got that massive splitter that sticks out, those crazy splitter rods. And then the front wide fenders, which are just absolutely mind-blowing how big those are. And you can kind of see like right there how wide the fenders stick out. But wow, that car is incredible. Also, that whole front end, the louvered fenders as well look really nice. You got the louvers in the hood. The best thing about this is like the whole front end comes off. So let me go ahead and lift that off carefully. It should just slide straight up and out. So you can get focus, and there it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. And wow, that twin turbo kit looks absolutely insane. Look at that. Like, wow, Hot Wheels did an amazing job with this car. Wow, I am very impressed. Like, that engine looks incredible. There we go. You guys can see that with the light. Wow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of that. It's cool how they did the engine, and then all the upgrade parts are actually metal. The engine's plastic, like little turbos and everything. Like, it's painted differently. Like, that is so cool. Like, the detail just stands out. And even in the engine bay, that's super detailed. And for the part that comes off, it's pretty much the whole grille, headlights, the hood, the fenders. So then you can see like how much is kind of off from the car. But that is absolutely insane. And let me show you guys the bottom there too, in case you guys want to see it. Nice, smooth, kind of like an actual race car. And then it has the modified 1969 Ford Mustang This is absolutely impressive. Also, I just realized how wide the side skirts are on that too. You can see how far out they stick. That's actually a really cool detail as well. Side skirts are flush with like the fenders and everything. But man, this car is insane. Let's go ahead and set this back on. And it just pushes right into place. And there we go. That thing is looking absolutely insane. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And also, like, did you guys pick one up when they came out? I know, like, as I'm filming this video, they are still available on their website. So if you guys have not picked one up, there's still a chance when this video goes live. I don't know if they're still going to be available or not. But also, did you guys pick up any of the other previous ones? Because those were also insane. Like that Lamborghini wide body, like, is just crazy. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. I also have a lot more other videos of crazy awesome cars and a bunch of other Hot Wheels unboxings, stuff like this. So definitely hit that subscribe button because I really do appreciate it. And there will be a lot more videos coming soon. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.